Hey friends, have you ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day to finish everything? Between work, errands, chores, family time, and maybe squeezing in a bit of fun, it can get overwhelming trying to keep up. I know I've had those Monday mornings where I'm staring at a bunch of sticky notes, unfinished to-do lists, and a calendar packed with appointments. It makes my head spin. Now imagine if you could just wave a magic wand, and all those messy papers were turned into neat charts and graphs that show you exactly what needs to get done. What if the tasks you don't like sending follow-up emails or updating team project boards, could just take care of themselves while you relax with your morning coffee? Well, today I'm excited to share some new features from Notion that can help make that happen. Notion's latest updates include 3 key tools to help you simplify your work: charts to show your data visually, automation to get rid of repetitive tasks, and tips to make the most of these features. Studies show that using tools like these can boost productivity by up to 30%. That's like adding nearly 2 extra hours to your day. Now that's some real magic. So if you're ready to turn your stressful Monday morning into a smooth and easy start to the week, stick around. I'll show you exactly how Notion's new features can help you get your work done 10 times faster. Let's begin with the powerful data visualization tool, Charts. If you've ever felt lost in a sea of numbers, stuck updating Google Sheets or the same Excel graph over and over again, then Notion's new Charts feature is about to be your new favorite tool. In just a few clicks, you can turn any database table into a bar graph, pie chart, or line graph. This means you can quickly transform those boring rows of data into colorful visuals that make trends and patterns super clear. For example, if you're leading a team project and need to track everyone's progress, instead of scrolling through a massive spreadsheet, you can check a bar chart that shows what's done and what's still in progress. It's like a progress report that's easy to understand at a glance. Or, if you run an online store and want to see how your sales are growing, Notion's line graphs let you visualize how your revenue is changing over time. No more wasting time making graphs in Excel, only for them to get outdated. And here's the best part. Notion's charts aren't just pretty pictures. They're live charts, which means they update automatically as the numbers change. You'll never have to manually update them again. Before this, making charts was a hassle. People often had to export their data from Notion into programs like Excel or Google Sheets just to make a graph, which was super time-consuming. They also dealt with charts that quickly became outdated and unreliable, struggled with customizing the look of the charts, and kept flipping between different apps because they couldn't have all their charts in one place. But now, Notion has solved all those problems. You can create charts easily, they update in real time, and you can customize them however you like. It's like having the perfect project management sidekick. Notion charts are a real-time saver since they update automatically, saving you from the tedious task of manual data entry. You can also tailor the look to match your needs, from chart types to colors and labels. Everything you need is right inside Notion, so no more juggling different apps. And you can easily share these live charts with your team to keep everyone on the same page without worrying about outdated graphs. Whether you're tracking personal finances, sales, or managing projects, Notion Charts is a game changer for anyone who loves data. But while charts are great for visualizing information, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Next up, I'll show you how Notion's new automation features can help you say goodbye to repetitive tasks for good. Alright, now imagine how awesome it would be to enjoy your morning coffee while your computer takes care of some of those repetitive work tasks. That's where Notion's new superpower automation comes in, your personal productivity assistant. With Notion's automation tools, you can set up workflows that trigger actions when certain conditions are met. It's like having a little robot in the background taking care of things for you. For example, let's say you need to assign tasks to your team based on their workload and skills every day. You can create an automation in Notion that watches your unassigned tasks list and automatically assigns them to the right person using the rules you set. Can you feel your workload getting lighter already? Or imagine you have a big deadline for a client project. You can set an automatic reminder that will notify your whole team 1 week before the deadline, so you never have to worry about it sneaking up on you. No more last-minute panic. With these magic powers, Notion can help make teamwork easier by handling repetitive tasks that used to take up so much of your time. You no longer need to spend hours on things like manually updating tasks, sending reminders, copying information between boards, answering constant questions about project status, or even missing deadlines because you are overwhelmed. Notion's automation works like a smart assistant made just for your projects. You simply tell it what to do, and then it takes care of the boring stuff while you sit back. How great does that sound? There are some amazing benefits to using automation in Notion. First, it's a huge time saver. Studies show that automating repetitive tasks can save up to 40% of the time spent on them. Imagine getting almost half your day back. Plus, it reduces errors because there's there's less chance of human mistakes when tasks are managed automatically. It keeps your team in sync too, as workflows update in real time, so everyone is on the same page. And it's adaptable, meaning as your needs change, you can easily adjust the automation to fit how you work. With all the time you'll save, think about everything else you could do. Learn new skills, take on more important projects, or even just enjoy more time for yourself. The possibilities are endless. Of course, to get the most out of these automations, you'll need to set them up properly. So, next, I'll share some pro tips to help you maximize your productivity with Notion's new features. All right, productivity pros. We've talked about Notion's two awesome new features, charts and automation. Now, I want to share some insider tips to help you take your workflow to the next level. Get ready to unlock the secrets of optimization success. The key to getting a clear view of all your work is to build one main command center dashboard that shows data from multiple projects at once. A single chart is useful, but imagine having all your important graphs and stats in one place. This is where linked databases come in. By linking your individual project databases to a master database, you can create a dashboard that pulls real-time data from all your projects. It's like having mission control for everything you're working on. For example, if you're managing projects A, B, and C for different clients, you'd normally need 3 separate views to monitor the charts and key info. But with linked databases, you can create a master database called All Projects that connects to each project's database. Then you can build your dashboard from that master list. Now your dashboard can show things like a combined progress bar for all your projects, a table comparing deadlines, charts for client budgets, and charts for billable hours. It's the big picture view that lets you track everything without switching between different databases. Pretty cool, right? Setting up automation on individual pages is a great start. But to get even more efficient, use templates to easily repeat your best automation on a larger scale. Templates help by making sure your team uses the same automated workflows every time, so there's no confusion. It also makes onboarding new employees easy because they'll follow the same steps. Plus, building new pages becomes super fast when you start from a template. Here are some examples of where templates can save you a lot of time. Status update reports. Build it once and reuse it for all your projects. Meeting notes. Use the same template for all your client calls to keep things consistent. Project plans. Create a standard template for each phase of development. Whatever repetitive tasks your team needs to simplify, templates are the shortcut to setting things up quickly and easily. Notion is all about making collaboration easy, and with their shared team workspaces, working together becomes even smoother, especially for close-knit teams. Instead of just sharing individual pages, you can share an entire workspace. This gives your team access to everything: linked databases, charts, templates, and automated workflows, all in one place. The best part? Whenever someone makes a change, like updating a task, adding data to a chart, or scheduling something on the calendar, it updates everywhere in real time. This keeps everyone on the same page without the endless back and forth of emails like, "Did you see my email about the new deadline?" Or, "Oops, I forgot to update that document." No more important tasks getting lost in inboxes or missed messages. The shared workspace keeps things clear for the entire team. Notion also makes it easy to manage who sees what with its permission settings. You can give managers more access to approve work while keeping certain pages private for clients or external teams. Whether you're part of a startup, an in-house team, or an agency, shared workspaces are the perfect way to boost your team's workflow and keep everyone in sync. All right, now that we've leveled up our Notion skills, let's bring everything together and see how we can build some awesome workflows. There you have it, friends. Notion's latest features are packed with charts, automation, and optimizations to simplify your workflows. With the power of charts, you can stop drowning in endless data and instead visualize progress at a glance. Save hours previously wasted on manual updates and tedious number crunching. Plus, by adding automation into the mix, you've got a virtual assistant ready to lift some of those repetitive task burdens off your plate, notify you of deadlines, reassign work, send reminders, and more based on triggers you define. Reclaim 40% or more of your weekly workload for higher priority and more rewarding tasks. And finally, don't forget those pro tips and tricks for getting the most out of these tools. Build master dashboards to monitor the big picture, use templates to standardize workflows, and collaborate in shared spaces. Activate the full power of Notion to maximize your team's productivity. With solutions like these, you've got everything you need to turn those chaotic Monday mornings into streamlined systems, giving you the freedom to work smarter, not longer. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Notion today to unlock these game-changing features for your team. Build the workspace of your productivity dreams. I hope this overview got you excited about how Notion can transform your workflows. Let me know in the comments if you start using any of these new tools. I'd love to hear what changes they make for your projects. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and productivity tips coming your way soon. Check out the link in the description below to join our free community. Thanks for watching. See you next time.